Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix these snaps taking too long to load. There's actually a few things you can do to fix it up. The first thing, obviously, is hitting the like button and hitting the subscribe button. And the second thing is, there's only a few reasons why your snaps can take too long to send. And to fix it, the first thing you want to do is obviously make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. If you have an old iPhone, an old Android device, you want to go and go ahead and update it. So you want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to type in Snapchat and you want to make sure that you have the latest version. If that is ready, the next thing you want to do is go over to your settings, scroll up just like so, type in Snapchat, and you want to click on it and you want to make sure that you have mobile data on, especially if you're on mobile data right now. Next thing you want to do is go over to general if you're still not fixed. You want to make sure that you have good internet connection. Sometimes I think I have good internet connection, but I don't. So make sure if you're on cellular or mobile services, if you're in Europe, switch it to Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile, but you can also play around with different Wi-Fi networks. If none of this works, you want to go over to general. You want to make sure you have the latest software update right here. So click on update here. And then you want to go to, if this doesn't help, restart your phone. If restarting doesn't help, click here, reset, and just reset the network settings. If this doesn't help, another thing you can do is go over to general. From there, you want to go on iPhone storage. You want to swipe up, type in Snapchat, just like so. And here you want to offload the app. So that's pretty much most of the things you can do. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give me a like. If you're still having any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out. Subscribe if you're new. See you next one.